Hello everyone, welcome to Tangle with Tracy Anne. Today I'll be drawing a fun tangle called TUNNELVISION by Jody Genovese, CZT. These are the tools I'll be using today, and I'll list them below this video. First of all, I'm going to create a border by drawing a circle. You can use a compass or just draw one or draw around something round. And I'm going to start with a black fine tip marker. This one is a Steadtler 0.2, and I'm drawing a whole series of bumps around the circle. Vary the sizes and the shapes and put some behind and some in front. I'm now going to draw one large eye on each of the bumps, and I'm starting on this one because I made a little bit of a mess on the line, and I can fill it in using the black marker. I'm leaving a little circular window in each one. Because I'm using a tan tile, I could just fill these in and add white gel pen at the end, because I probably still will do that. And as you're drawing these eyes, make some sitting right on the top and put them in all different areas, looking down, looking up, looking sideways, so that we have a variety of different eyes on these bumps. Now that I have all the eyes drawn in, I'm going to aura each of them, and you can see it creates a bit of a tunnel and an eye, so you can see where the name has come from, and do this on each one of these bumps. To give that border some definition, I'll trace around it with my pen. In this center section, I'm going to add some more eyes. So first of all, draw a few circles and then fill them in like we did the eyes on the other bumps. Draw one aura around each of these circles or orbs. They're more irregular shape, not a proper circle. And then once we've got one aura around them, I'm going to create a stem going down. It almost looks like they're little periscopes sitting out from those bumps. Using a graphite pencil, I'm going to shade these, and I'm putting just some graphite around each edge and curling it around the contours that I've drawn with those auras. When we find that one overlaps another, do a lighter shadow on the top and a darker one underneath, and that gives more of an impression that one is sitting behind the other. Don't bring your shadows right to the center of these shapes, just around the edges, and that'll give a little bit of a curved 3D effect. My shading looks a little bit messy, but once I get the tortillon on there and smooth it out, you can't even tell the magic of tortillons. I'm now going to use a white charcoal pencil to highlight down the center of these, what would we call them? They look like little grubs. And this will just add to that contouring. When I blend this white charcoal pencil with my tortillon, I'm going over the white bit first to keep it nice and bright. I'll then come back in and gradually blend the white into the graphite shading, and it gives a nice smooth transition without compromising the really bright center. If you find that you go into the black with the white charcoal pencil, you could use a fine eraser. The one I'm using is a Tombow Mono 0 eraser. Otherwise, you could just leave it to the end and go over the whole thing with black again in those eye areas. I probably will do that anyway. Using a white gel pen, I'm going to go over those little highlights in each of the eyes, just putting a little white dot there, and it makes it more sparkly. I might even add a little bit of the white gel pen to make sparkles down the body. You could, of course, do this by leaving little gaps in those lines, but the other thing you can do is just add them here and there down the center on those contours. The border's looking a little bit bare, so I'm going to use a gold gel pen to draw some very large print-ons. It just gives a little bit of variety to that open area. You can't really see the shimmer of that gold. I'll hold it up, maybe switch a light on, and there you go. So you can see it, just that little bit of shimmer on the border. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that so that you don't miss out on future videos. Until next week, stay safe and bye for now. If you'd like to see more of my videos, head over to my YouTube channel, or there are a couple of links here on the screen, and there's the subscribe button.